The rocket equation, it's a beautiful thing. No astronaut launches for space with their fingers crossed. That's not how we deal with risk. Study every system on a spaceship and then boil it down to what I call a one-pager. When the clock hits 0, you've got to be able to solve your problems in one breath. Crushed into your chair, you're like a leaf in a hurricane, 16 times the speed of sound. As you accelerate harder and harder, the light blue Florida sky starts to get darker and darker, and then suddenly black. And the engines shut off, and you're weightless. The reason I wanted to do this masterclass is to share the hidden depths of purpose that are behind space exploration. It will be a great moment of introspection for humanity if you're the person who finds that one little fossilized flower on Mars. I'm Chris Hadfield, and this is my masterclass.